Hello everyone, my name is Aziz. Today I am going to share how to join a free NGO for improving your English skill uh, and make better in the learning English skill. So, firstly, I can share about that NGO. So, you can I can open my blog that can be help you for know more about that NGO. This NGO is made by this blog is made by me. First thing, uh, this NGO is totally free for all people, but they have condition I can share with you in this video. Welcome to everyone. In this blog, you have learned about how to join a free English coaching without paying any single money. That's real, not a fake. That's totally real, and it's an NGO that can provide the teaching with expert and improve your skill in English. That's totally real. It's providing you a teacher for learning skill and improving your English skill. And teachers is taking your session daily basis, not taking in a week, 3 days. All days you can join the session, and in this NGO you can pay your 1 year for learning English skill. By the way, you cannot join that NGO, and this NGO name is it's so important. You can learn, but you have not idea about what is the name of that NGO. So I can share that name. The name of the NGO is Freedom Employability Academy, FEA, short form of this NGO. You can search at the Google. Move down and see that the poster that can be made by the FEA. Free 1 year online course and English personality development, free for all peoples. Become a comfortable speak in English, learning thought through games, movies and activities, improve vocabularies and how to manage your time, develop self-confidence. And in this NGO you can learn how to improve your self confidence. Sometimes people have no much confidence for improve for giving any presentation. So its NGO is also work on your confidence and learn about various careers, learn interview cracking skill, video call with successful mentors from USA, Europe and many more countries. It's not a fake. That line is not a fake because I have also learned in that NGO. I have spent my in this NGO. You have learned 5 books. I learned 3 books at January. January, huh? Yes, at the January, and after this I learned fourth book. Fourth book, module 7 to 8. I 7 8, and at the 15 May I have take a mentor session. You can see that mentor session. That mentor session that can be take by USA successful USA mentor. This means successful teacher that can be um, that can be motivate you how to choose your career. And I also learn with that mentor. The my mentor name is Rishi Kinger, and learn from online source. And you can also learn from online source, but if you have also offline source, but at the lockdown FE is taking online classes for all students. Computer lab है also available. That's totally true. FE have open library, FE have open computer lab available. And but there is a condition I can share. at the that video. So please keep an in this video. You can get more idea about from this poster. You can learn post the video and uh, get more idea about this that NGO. Okay, and what are the condition for joining this NGO? This is so important for the students because you have go at that NGO but you have not apply all condition and policies, so you cannot join this NGO. First thing is only one condition have given by FE. Condition is you have crossed to 15 years old, so you can get easily admission in this NGO. That's totally real, not a fake, because I am close to 15 years old. I after 1 week I can join the NGO, but earlier 14 years old I can also go at the FA, but teacher is say sorry Ayush, but I cannot take you because that is a condition. You have to after cross you 15 years old, so we can take you. So I can say that teacher, okay sir, I can come after across the 15 years old. And by the way, no more condition, I can also say that if you have no more condition and go more idea about that topic, about that NGO. So you want to more about that NGO, so you can go on the their official website. The Freedom Employability Academy is an educational clarity that improve the employability skill of young, and many students after the completing the FEA program more than double their income, and that is real because after the completing FEA some students are get more income. That points are shared by my teacher. This point is shared by my teacher because he is saying to me after the completing the FEA some students are get more income. And for more information please visit our website and watch this video. Okay, and you can click at that link. You can click at that link and go at the FEA India organization. You can see that is the home page of the FEA website. That's totally real, not a fake. You can see that employability skill building to increase income and success, advance young people from the poverty to employment. Many graduated more than a double income. See that is real. I can share with you. Go back the blog. So you think why I am saying with you this and who I am, so I can share with you. Don't about to worry why I am sharing this with you. So because just I am learning this NGO earlier 7 months. This NGO have a 5 books. First 3 book I complete with my love case. So you can complete your third book with another teacher. That is your first teacher that can be teach you. After the 3 book I learn with a new teacher, Akshay sir. In present I am in book 4 module 7. The both teachers are so talented and so educated. They have more than idea about that, more than about you. And both teachers also graduated from after taking classes in FEA. It's see that FEAs also give opportunity to teach FEA students. After you graduate from the FEA, you can also apply to teacher in FEA. And one more thing is in the FEA, the all teachers are well and educated. Not you can see that the some many uh, NGOs like teacher is not educated, like someone's come and teach you. Not that is not in this that is not possible in this NGO. In this NGO, that all teachers are well and educated, and all teachers are also learn with the FEA after the taking your sessions. And for fill up the FEA online from the FEA form, can go at the description of the video and click on this link and fill up the form, and please fill your right mobile number. So for you want to get admission in the FEA, so you can fill go at the description of the video. I can take link and at the description you can click at the link and fill up the form that can be given by FEA. But please share your real number, not number is switch off, not working. So please share your real number. And thank you. And this blog by Ayush Singh, this is my name. So this time too I can give you proof. One thing I can share with you, I have also learned how to make blogs, at the with the Google. I can also learn with the FEA. Earlier, uh, 2 days after, uh, 2 days before, I learned how to make blogs. This is the part of the FEA PPT. Okay, so I can give you a proof. So go at the I can give you a more idea about that. See that I have joined a FEA, and this is the FEA group. My first FEA group that can be made by Lavkesh sir. I am in book 3rd, and that is the book 4 group that can be I learn by Lavkesh sir. Book 4 group that can be I learn by Lavkesh sir. See that's all assignment. It is my today assignment that I completed. Ikigai, Ikigai, and I can share my certificates. See, that is my name. FEA module have also a competition from your team members. You can also competition with your team members, and that let's see this soliloquy contest. This contest I cannot win. And third is, you can see that all teachers are well and educated. That you can see that the form that can be given by teacher. Okay, and I can paste it at the description. I hope you have enough. I hope it is enough for you. So for get more idea about that NGO, you can see that the daily classes I take at the daily basis. You have to see, and we are also have a breakout room activities. You can also see that is my today breakout room activity. Team Archiver, Team Reformer. See that the today and see that the time. I'm not sharing fake thing with you. It's totally real. And I can also share you my classroom. You can see that my classroom. If we have also online session, so you can take class at the Google Classroom, PPT, and all assignments I have done. See that.
Sorry, Diro.
You can see that I have completed my all tasks. I hope it is enough for you. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in the next video. I can share the more idea about that NGO in the description. You can click at link and go at the that form and fill up your all details, but fill up your real number. That can be uh, open all time, not switch off or not working. Okay, that can be helpful for you. And for more inquiry about that NGO, you can comment at the comment section. I can help you. Okay, bye everyone. Meet at next video.